Alright, boys, back again. This is Joeblinski Tech How-Tos. Today, on this beautiful Sunday, I will be showing you how to remove a CPU from your brand new gaming computer. Just bought it from Best Buy. You know, definitely didn't steal it from Britain. Got a Pentium inside. This is the 4K display, ultra good for gaming. So we're gonna be doing a little upgrade today. So first up, we're gonna go ahead and try the big boys. Now the key to doing this, fix the monitor. We got it open. Alright, so here we go for the close-ups. We can clearly see just opened it up as the manufacturer intended. Go ahead and pop that bad boy to the side. Now, as you can see, we're getting closer to the CPU. Still seems to be a bit stuck. We can fix that. Alright, I have here an assortment of tools that we're going to be using today. As you can see, the spiky one, the saw one, the smash, the trimmers, and the machete. And here's a couple more big boys. Alright, so let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and get that motherboard out quick. Appears to be giving me a bit of trouble. There we go. I'd say it's pretty loose now. Let's go ahead and inspect the board. As you can see, factory sealed, brand new. And there's our CPU. We're gonna go ahead and take that bad boy out right now. For this portion of the video, I am gonna be clamping the motherboard so we can get ultra tight smashing results in the vise. Alright, let me twist this around for better lighting. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the spiky one. Get some glue. Come on. And we back in. Maybe I'll put a bit more, just to be safe. Let's get a close-up view. Looking good. Alright. Next, we're going to be moving to the saw. Let's see how this goes. Not very fast, but we'll get into it. So, we're going to move on to the next tool, and we're going to get this guy out of here. Alright, coming down to it, we got to use the machete. Let's get it. Whoa. Some good damage right there. Looking like, you know, Jason with the, yeah. Alright. Alright, boys. We are almost done here. We got that CPU out. Looking good. Fully factory new. Just bought it. Let's get this bread. Alright, so today I have the bonus bin. Let's see what we got in here. First up, got this Microsoft keyboard. Let's get it. Now we're going to be using these to go ahead and fix the motherboard, because as you can see, I got a couple battle scars, you know, nothing we can't fix. Let's get this. It's doing some good work. Okay. Last blow. So that didn't give me the results I wanted. In fact, it left a residue. Let's try something else. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. We have to sacrifice the FAP Titan machine. I know what you boys are saying, so it's time to stop. Enough is enough. Let's get this. We could help it a little bit more. What do you think? Let's do it. Alright, boys. Looks like a pretty successful day. We went ahead, got the CPU out of the motherboard. Looking clean, I might add. Look at this. Yes, sir. We went ahead, fixed the motherboard. We got a few extra parts laying around. We can always use this in our next gaming build. Now, FAP Titan machine. I'm afraid this is unfixable. Damn. Now, in terms of the shell, I think we can reuse this. Looking pretty good here. Got some parts in here. Some cords, power supply. Damn. Let's fix this monitor. Alright, boys, looking pretty sweet. Got this monitor. Looks alright. I think we could get it better. Let's fix this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the sludge. Now let's go with the pickaxe. This Minecraft, Fortnite. All my Fortnite fans, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more pickaxes. Let's get this. That's pretty solid. Alright, I'll catch y'all later. I'll be streaming tonight on my new monitor. We'll get some Fortnite dubskis. Have a good one.